Welcome to the session License Plating with Tasklet Mobile WMS for Business Central. In this session, we will explain license plating and its requirements and then show the features. First, a few words about the concept, and we'll start with warehouse challenges today. Warehouses often struggle to handle large volumes of mixed or tracked items, for example lot or serial number tracking, leading to inefficiencies and errors. License plating helps solve these issues. But what is license plating? License plating groups and manage inventory in containers such as pallet or boxes with unique license plate numbers and barcodes, enabling efficient tracking and management. However, license plating does not exist in standard Business Central. And that is why we introduce license plating with Tasklet Mobile WMS. Our solution is a mobile-only feature. It does not exist in Business Central. It streamlines receiving, put away, and moving processes. It requires the latest version of the mobile WMS extension and Android app and mobile configuration, as well as a printing solution for mobile device label printing. The new features in the solution are Receive. We have extended the Receive feature to include building and receiving items onto license plates. We have Put Away license plate, where you can place license plates in your warehouse. We have On-Plan Move Advanced, where you can move license plates between areas or bins. Then we have the feature License Plate. This is where you can look up information about license plates. You can view and move license plate contents, and you can edit and delete license plates. A few important notes. License plating with Tasklet Mobile WMS operates exclusively on approved mobile devices, not in the PC backend. License plate data is stored in mobile WMS tables in Business Central, not in standard BC entry tables. And using standard mobile WMS and Business Central features without considering the physical license plate can destroy the license plate structure. With these words, let's look at how the solution works. In this session, a large shipment of mixed items, including products with lot and serial numbers, have arrived at our warehouse. We will start in the receiving area, where we will build the license plates during the receiving process. Then we will put the items away in the bulk or storage area, and lastly move some of the items to the picking area. These processes will be demonstrated using our new Tasklet license plate feature. Let us start in the receiving area. Here is the pallet with the mixed items that has arrived. So instead of using the standard way of receiving items, we want to build license plates. In this example, we will build 3 license plates. One for the coffee with lot numbers in a box, and one for the lawnmowers with serial numbers on a pallet, and one for the items without any tracking, the socks and bottles, also on a pallet. We'll use these license plate labels that we have printed out. It will be a good idea if the warehouse worker always carries license plate labels, so you can easily create a new license plate when needed. Let us start the receiving process. We will open the Receive function on the mobile device and filter down to the order by scanning one of the items on the pallet. So here in our receiving area, we have prepared the license plates. We have our 2 pallets and our box. For demonstration purposes, we have chosen to place the license plate labels directly on the pallets when building the license plates. Okay, First, we want to receive our non-tracked items on a separate license plate. We will start by scanning the first license plate label. Notice that the license plate is now pinned at the top of the screen on the mobile device, meaning that all items we received will be moved to our currently pinned license plate. We will scan the boxes and then placing them on the pallet. Then we want to receive our lot number tracked coffee. We'll create a new license plate by scanning the label. Note that the pinned license plate has changed, and now we are building a new license plate. To speed up the process in the demo, we are using data matrix barcodes on the items. If you have items with separate barcodes for item, lot, and serial numbers, you will just save even more scans and thereby time when you have built your license plates. We'll scan the barcode on the items and the lot numbers before placing the coffee into the box. And finally, we will build a license plate for our serial number tracked robot lawnmowers. Again, we will scan a new license plate label. Then we'll scan the item barcodes and serial numbers before placing them on a pallet. Then the system asks if we will post the order, and we will press yes. So the last thing to do is to wrap the pallets and put the license plate labels on the pallet. So we have posted the order. We have received all the items and created 3 separate license plates that needs to be put away. So as we mentioned, the process is mobile only. But let's see how the structure looks in Business Central. Here we will search for license plates. And we'll go to the list, mobile license plate. And here we'll find one of the license plate, number 284. And here we can see the content with the coffee placed in the receiving area. So you can see creating a license plate takes a bit more work in the receiving process, but it simplifies all the other processes in the warehouse. So now it's time to put away our license plates. We have built the license plates in the receiving process, and they are now placed in the receiving area. And we will put away the license plates to the storage or bulk area. We will focus on 2 license plates in this process, the pallet with the lawnmowers and the box with the coffee. So let us open one of the new features, the put away license plate. Now it's pretty simple. Scan the license plate we want to put away. And here we can see the suggested bin. We will place the items and scan the bin to finish the registrations. And we'll repeat the same process for the coffee. Scan the license plate on the box. And scan the bin where we'll place the license plate. You can easily check the content of a license plate. Just go to the feature license plate on the mobile device, scan the license plate label, and press the menu item Contents. And here you can see what the license plate contains on the mobile device. So here we can definitely see the benefit of the work we put into the receiving process. So instead of scanning all the barcodes on the coffee again, we can simply now just scan the license plate and the put away process is completed. So it really saves a lot of time. So to finish the put away process, we will check the registrations in Business Central. Again, we will search for license plate and go to the list mobile license plate. And here we can find the license plate again, number 284. And if we open that, we can see where the item is placed. Now we want to move the license plate with the coffee from the bulk or storage area to the picking area in our warehouse. To do this, we need to use the feature On-Plan Move Advanced to move the license plate. So we will open the feature and scan the license plate label, and then scan the bin to which we want to move it. And that's it. We have now moved the license plate with the coffee from the bulk or storage area to the bin in our picking area. So license plating really simplifies the process of moving several items from one bin to another. Instead of scanning all the items, you now only need to scan the license plate label. So this concludes the session License Plating with Tasklet Mobile WMS. As you could see, it really simplifies the handling of items inside the warehouse. If you want to know more about license plating with Tasklet Mobile WMS, reach out to us. You can contact us at sales@taskletfactory.com, or you can book a demo on our website. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.